1946 UK 1 penny coin. Good day, coin enthusiasts and history lovers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're crossing the pond to talk about a piece of history you might find tucked away in a dusty old coin jar, the 1946 UK 1 penny coin. Struck in the immediate aftermath of World War II, this coin carries the portrait of King George VI and the famous image of Britannia. Most collectors will tell you this is a common coin, but that's only part of the story. Because, like all coins, the potential for a major error or an unprecedented rarity means this penny could be worth far more than its face value. We're talking about the potential for life-changing money. Let's set the stage. The year is 1946. Britain is rebuilding, and the Royal Mint is busy churning out millions of these bronze one-penny pieces. Over 66 million were minted that year alone. This high mintage is why a regular, circulated 1946 penny is generally only worth a few pounds, maybe less. They're common, a fantastic historical artifact, but not rare in average condition. However, the fact that such a massive number of coins were struck during a period of post-war recovery, when manufacturing was often under pressure, creates the perfect environment for a fascinating collecting opportunity: mint errors and extreme high grades. Now, if you want your 1946 penny to be worth more than a cup of tea, you need to look for two things: perfection or a perfect mistake. A coin's value skyrockets when it approaches perfection. Since this coin was heavily circulated, finding one that has somehow survived in pristine condition is extremely difficult. Uncirculated or higher, a coin with no signs of wear, still retaining its original luster, will fetch a premium. A top-graded 1946 UK penny in MS65 or higher could sell for hundreds of pounds to a dedicated collector trying to complete a flawless date set. Money bag category 2. The perfect mistake. This is where the true value lies. The rare anomalies that might one day lead to those headline-grabbing auctions. The doubled die error. Check the lettering around the king's portrait, the date, and the word penny on the reverse. If the letters appear clearly doubled, this is a double die error. Minor doubling might add modest value, but a prominent, undiscovered doubled die could be a 4 or 5-figure find. Off-center strikes. If the coin blank was improperly fed into the press, the design will be dramatically off-center. A minor off-center strike might not be worth much, but a severely off-center strike is highly collectible and can sell for hundreds or thousands of pounds. The ultimate rarity. The mule error. This is the one that could truly change your life. A mule is a coin struck using dies from two different denominations or years. While there is no officially recorded 1946 UK penny mule, an accidental pairing of a 1946 penny obverse with a die from a different contemporary coin, say, a 1946 halfpenny reverse, would be an unprecedented, unique discovery. Such a find would be instantly one of the rarest British coins in existence, and would undoubtedly command a 6-figure, or potentially even 7-figure price tag at auction. Now, let's address the millions claimed directly. For a 1946 penny to reach millions, it would need to be a coin of unparalleled, unique rarity. The UK coin that came closest to that 7-figure mark is the Henry III gold penny from 1257, estimated at over £500,000. And the most famous, modern penny, the 1933 King George V penny, is worth around £72,000 to over £127,000 for the few known examples. These coins are valuable because they are either mules/extreme errors where only one or two survived. While the 1946 penny is not an intrinsically rare date, finding a unique, undocumented mule or an extreme error on a 1946 coin is the lottery ticket. If one were ever discovered, it would instantly be vaulted into the same ultra-rare category as the 1933 penny, making it a spectacular, record-breaking auction deal. So, how do you conduct your own treasure hunt? You need the right tools and patience. Get a good jeweler's loupe or magnifier. The details are microscopic. Focus on the legends, scrutinize the king's titles, George of 6 DGBR Omen Rex FDIND Look for doubling or strange overlaps. Check the date. Is the 1946 crisp, or is there any sign of a double die? Inspect Britannia. Examine the figure of Britannia on the reverse. Check the shield, the trident, and the words 1 penny for any signs of doubling or a misstrike. Compare it to other pennies. If something looks off, compare it side by side with a known, common 1946 penny. A difference in diameter, thickness, or weight could be a major planchet error. If you genuinely believe you have found an error, the cardinal rule is do not clean the coin. Cleaning will destroy its value. Protect it in a dedicated coin holder and seek professional authentication. Contact a reputable UK auction house or a major third-party grading service like PCGS or NGC. They can verify your find and potentially turn your dusty old penny into a life-changing windfall. The 1946 UK penny is more than just bronze. It's a window into a pivotal moment in history, and for the lucky few, it could be a ticket to an auction deal of a lifetime. So, next time you're sorting through a collection, pay special attention to those post-war dates. Do you have any George VI coins? What's the oldest UK coin you own? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more treasure hunts, and hit that bell. Happy collecting, and I'll see you in the next video.